Major General Jaikrishna Kaushik was born on 15th August 1947 into an Orthodox Hindu family. From the very childhood until the time he joined the armed forces and fulfilled his childhood dreams of donning an olive green uniform, he remained a part of all religious rituals performed in the house and the temples around, but more like a witness than any kind of a devotee. His perception of God was of an entity that was beyond the barriers of the religion and rituals. In his hearts of hearts, he was never convinced that the supreme power, universally addressed as God, could be confined to the four walls of a religious institution, be it a temple, a monastery, or a church. Over a period of time, his belief gradually and subconsciously converted into firm conviction and eventually brought him close to silence, nature, and spirituality. During the course of his postings to remote and comparatively untrodden border areas, in addition to doing his professional bit, he managed time to pursue his quest of an in-depth study of nature. He hung up his uniform in 2006, but continued with his quest and travelled widely to experience all shades of his manifestations. He realized that the phenomenon of silence has far deep dimensions than what is apparently perceived, and that there essentially exists a very strong bondage between nature, silence, and spirituality. Post-retirement, General Kaushik is enthusiastically devoting his maximum time with nature, meditation, reading, and writing, and he has authored many articles on the subject of spirituality in the past. The author is explaining to Honorable Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Bharat Ratna, that the phenomena of silence is existential not only in humans but also in plants, birds, and animals. The author narrates an episode he personally witnessed of how dogs by instinct come to know of their soon coming end and disappear in absolute solitude to lay their body at a place where their remains ultimately merge with the five major elements of nature, the Panch Mahabhutas.
I suddenly saw some 10-12 dogs standing absolutely quiet.
Quiet.
Absolutely quiet.
Without barking.
Without barking. So So I
How
just
dogs cannot stand without barking?
this is what I want to explain, sir. This is what I want to explain.
That he has explained in
They were
the
all
This is what I want to explain,
silent.
sir. I'll just take 20 seconds. And that attracted me. How can so many dogs be sitting, standing quiet and not even moving, sir? What a dog barking. I found that one female dog which we knew, familiar, was standing on one side, the rest of them on the other side. And there was total quietness, so we started watching. So for almost about 7-8 minutes they were standing like that, and I could see a sadness and a silence on their faces. So I was thinking, what's happening? Then slowly the old female dog, which is along on one side, she started going down a small track, and others quietly followed. And then after a few yards, they stood silent. She continued walking, and we never saw that woman dog. All those dogs came back and they disappeared in different directions. So believe me, the
Why?
dog barked.
What happened?
So this was the time of that female had come. They by instinct they come to know that no, my time has come, and she knew that now I am going to. And so you will find a phenomenon in nature. No animal, no bird, which dies a natural death. No, I am not talking of what we domestic type. You will never find in the world.
Yeah.
Even a bird you never find in place. Anywhere.
Anyway, so many trees are there, you don't see a dog.
Yes.
And she understood that my time has come. And so we see with the animals, by instinct they come to know that my time has come, and they quietly walk off to merge with the 5 major elements of the. And this is what happened to her. She will never see it again. Probably those 5 major elements, she left her body there. And that silence, so the silence which we observe when a departing soul comes for 2 minutes, probably that was the silence among those.
Yes, explain it.
Yes. And it was such a watchful scene. That's what I wanted to explain in this book. Sir, I have given 3 dimensions to the silence: external silence, inner silence, and divine silence.
The author presented the first cover of his book, Silence, the Whisper of the Divine, to Honorable Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Bharat Ratna at his residence 10 Rajaji Marg, along with the publisher on 12th March 2013. As a return protocol, Honorable Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Bharat Ratna signed a copy of the book and presented it to the author, General J.K. Kaushik. Since the foreword of the book was written by Honorable Dr. Srimati Kamla, the Governor of Gujarat, the author here is seen presenting a copy of his book to Honorable Governor at Gujarat Bhavan, New Delhi, along with the publisher Shri Mohinder Vashisht.